So these two are Philadelphia cheese and Laughing Cow cheese. Yeah, we are going to put sugar and eggs in this.
Yes.
Whoa! Wait, what is this? They started it.
Yeah, like
Put sugar like this while mixing. Oh, oh.
you need to put 3.
Now we are putting egg in this cake. I never did this with the egg. So these, what is this? Okay, yeah, this is the crust which we made. These are crackers or Monaco biscuits. So these are same like that. And we crush it and we mix butter in this. You can see the texture or whatever. So this is the pan. We put what paper
baking
is this?
paper.
Baking paper in this. And now, like,
It make you more stronger than.
so now we are putting the filling into the pan where we have made crust and we have flattened it very well. So you can see the texture. Oh my god.
You need to cut that.
Need to do like this to avoid the bubbles inside the cheesecake. Okay, so now we are going to put the cake which we made in this pan into the oven to bake it. But before that, you have to preheat the oven 350 Fahrenheit. After it's preheated, we can put this cheesecake inside it. Don't do what I did. I didn't use any gloves. And so we keep it like this for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes we should come and check the cheesecake how it is. And so when the cake is
You touch it.
like this. Woo! So this are the signs which says this is baked. Dessert pizza, cheesecake.